The first component of the Hi-MOD compression terminal is the body section. The external tapered sections demonstrate the slim design. The next component is the compression cone. Each size and type of cone is identified with a colour. The third component is the crown ring. This item is the unique part which differentiates the Hi-MOD compression terminal from all other compression terminals. The external strands of the wire are placed in carefully positioned slots around the crown ring, ensuring that the individual strands are well organized. The final component can be one of four parts: the stud end, the eye end, the fork end, and the toggle end. Each end fitting benefits from a built-in tool which ensures correct positioning and assists assembly. This also helps to position the strands of the wire when the terminal is assembled. The end of the cone has a convex shape. This fits the convex section of the crown ring. When in position, the two components sit perfectly together. When the end fitting is in position, you can see a gap between the crown ring and the end fitting. This ensures that no wire strands will interfere with any threads. The compression cone is precision machined, allowing a perfect fit inside the terminal body. The crown ring is then placed on top of the compression cone, then the end fitting is screwed into position. Attaching the Hi-MOD compression terminal to a wire rope is very simple and is made much easier if the wire rope is held in a vise. First, place the compression body over the cut wire, then splice the wire open using a suitable tool or a rigger's glove. Place the compression cone on the internal wire strands. Do not worry about the position of the cone at this point. Using the end fitting, gently press the cone into position. Next, place the crown ring on top of the compression cone. Using the end fitting again to press the crown ring into position. Place and hold the end fitting on top of the crown ring with one hand, whilst twisting the terminal body in the same direction as the lay of wire towards the end fitting. When the body has almost reached the top, you should notice that several wire strands have fell into position around the crown ring. Carefully place the other strands into position, ensuring that each strand occupies a slot around the crown ring. Once in position, there should be one strand per slot for wire sizes 6 mm or 1/4 inch diameter and above. Smaller wire diameters should have 2 strands per slot. Rotate the terminal body into place and attach the end fitting. Using suitable tools and the spanner flats provided, tighten the two fittings together. The Hi-MOD compression terminal, unlike any other compression terminal, can be dismantled for inspection or cleaning. This is particularly useful when being used with furler systems, or even when a wire is too long and has to be adjusted. All components can be taken apart very easily, making this end fitting very user-friendly and extremely versatile. The Hi-MOD compression terminal range also benefits from a repair accessory called the compression extender. The extender is ideal for repairing a broken wire which is terminated using a standard swage terminal. When a wire breaks, it tends to break just after the swage terminal where the wire suffers most fatigue. The extender makes up for the loss of wire length by making up the difference of wire reduction. This is very useful for repairing broken backstays while sailing. By having one compression terminal and one extender on board as an emergency repair kit, you can ensure the repair of your backstay at any time. The extender is a one-fits-all component and can be used with a stud, eye, fork or toggle compression terminal. This close-up demonstrates the positioning of the wire strands around the crown ring. All terminals are available for wire sizes from 3mm to 26mm or 1/8 of an inch to 1 inch diameter.